Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix payment not completed App Store on any iPhone after 80.2 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open Safari or another web browser to check if you can access the internet and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check payment method. Ensure your payment method is valid and up to date. Check your credit card or debit card details to ensure they are correct and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check App Store settings. Ensure the App Store settings are correct. Go to Setting App, tap on iTunes and App Store and check if the correct Apple ID is signed in and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can resolve the issue. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is check for pending restrictions. Check if there are any pending transactions on your account. Go to the App Store, tap your profile icon and select purchased and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is update payment information. Try updating your payment information. Go to Setting App and tap on iTunes and App Store. You can see appears on screen and tap your Apple ID, select payment and shipping and update your payment information and problem is fixed. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying this solution number 7. Solution number 7 is contact your bank. If you are still experiencing issues, contact your bank to ensure there are no issues with your payment method. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact appstore.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix payment not completed App Store on any iPhone after 80.2 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.